Now we're going to talk about looking for choices that stand out. Now, in the first example, that's going to help you figure out what the correct answer is. In our next examples, it will actually help you figure out which answer is not right. Okay? So for the first one, the nurse questions the healthcare provider's request to defibrillate the client with which rhythm? Why is it A?
Because it's a heart block.
So A represents a heart block, right? What are the other three?
VTACs and VFibs.
They're VTACs and VFibs. The only thing to do for those initially is shock, right? But for that first one, would you ever consider shocking an organized rhythm?
No.
No. And notice that it's not talking about pacing or any of those other kinds of interventions. It's actually talking about defibrillating somebody. So that's how that question might catch you if you're not sure of your rhythms. But anytime that you've got a good P, QRS, and T wave, you're not going to defibrillate that, though you might have to do some other intervention, and it might involve electricity. So for this one, you can quickly look at those and see, you know, you might get a little Sesame Street song going in your head. One of these things is not like the other. So this one is pretty simple. The things that, for the reverse, what we're going to think about is if you read through the choices and 3 of them are very similar and 1 isn't, where you feel like you're in that situation where, gosh, 3 of these are right, how do I pick? Stop yourself and look back at the question and see what it actually asked you. Because if it asked you which one needs further education, for example, then 3 of the choices will be correct for whatever the process was. It'll be wrong for the situation, but right to answer the question, okay? So, and we get so many comments on those kinds of questions, and it's because people haven't slowed down to read it. So always look back to see if it says further teaching is needed, intervenes after observing which action, clarifies which prescription. Okay, so if you look through your choices and 3 of them look absolutely correct for the situation, stop, reread the question.